Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today I am sharing with you in this video solid colors and attractive free crochet earrings patterns. Most beautiful and stylish you will see in this video's unique free crochet earrings patterns in 2023. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, I have uploaded new all modern different crochet earrings patterns. You will see new stylish crochet videos. So viewers, visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos and enjoy new all different crochet patterns, new attractive stylish crochet videos. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care, friends. Allah Hafiz.